In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your status on Clickup, the everything app for work that is revolutionizing the way teams collaborate, organize, and track their tasks. Whether you're a beginner to the platform or just need a quick refresher on updating your status, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it. When you start your day or whenever your work status changes, updating your status on Clickup can significantly improve communication with your colleagues. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep everyone aware of your availability without having to send out multiple messages or emails. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Clickup website. Type in Clickup's URL into your browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll be greeted with the Clickup homepage, a central hub from where you can access all the app's features once you're logged in. The next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which should be prominently displayed on the homepage. After you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Start with your email address. Ensure that you input the email address associated with your Clickup account to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email, the next field will ask for your password. Type in your password cautiously. Remember, passwords are case sensitive and it's easy to mistype them, especially if you're in a hurry. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access your Clickup workspace. It's here where the magic happens, where you manage tasks, communicate with your team, and more. Upon successfully logging in, you're taken to your home screen or dashboard. This area gives you an at-a-glance view of your projects, tasks, and any updates relevant to your workflow. But we're here to update our status, so let's keep moving. Look for the profile icon, which is usually located at the bottom left corner or the top right corner of your screen, depending on any updates or UI changes Clickup may have implemented. Clicking on your profile will bring up a few options related to your account settings and preferences. In the menu that appears, look for the Set Status option. This is where you can change or update your current status. It's a quick way to let your team know if you're available, busy, or away. Clicking on Set Status will bring up a list of predefined statuses you can choose from, such as online, busy, away, and others. Clickup may also allow you to create custom statuses if your workspace has been set up to support them. Select the status that best reflects your current availability or work mode. This is a straightforward, yet significant action. It communicates to your team members whether you're fully available for collaboration, or if you need some uninterrupted time to focus on your tasks. Finally, once you've selected your desired status, make sure to click on Save to apply the changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that your new status is visible to your colleagues, fostering better communication and coordination across your workspace. And that's all there is to it. Updating your status in Clickup is a breeze, but it plays a critical role in maintaining smooth, transparent communication within your team. Remember to update your status as and when your availability changes throughout the day to keep everyone informed. A pro tip before we wrap up, make updating your status on Clickup a habit. Doing so at the start of your day when you take a break, or when you're buckling down for focused work, can greatly enhance your team's cohesion and efficiency. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to edit your status on Clickup. Hopefully you found these instructions easy to follow and you're now more comfortable with managing your status on the platform. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy collaborating and see you in the next video.